How can I recover lost emails on my iPad?
Hello everyone! Today, we'll be discussing a topic that has been quite puzzling for some iPad users. We're going to explore how you can recover lost emails on your iPad. If you've accidentally deleted an important email or can't find an old one, then this guide is for you.
Are the emails really lost?
Firstly, let's make sure the emails are truly lost. Often, they might just be archived, moved to another folder, or the sync settings might not be correctly configured. So, check all your folders, including the trash or archive folders. Adjust the email sync settings if necessary.
Recovering from recently deleted folder.
If you've accidentally deleted your emails, they are not instantly removed. Instead, they are moved to the recently deleted folder. You have 30 days to recover them from here. Follow these steps. 1. Open your Mail app. 2. Go to Mailboxes, greater than, recently deleted. 3. Find the emails you want to recover and select them. 4. Tap Move. Then select the folder you want to move the emails to.
Restoring from an iCloud backup.
If you have an iCloud backup that contains the lost emails, you could restore from it. Remember, this will replace the entire data on your iPad with the backup data. Here are the steps. 1. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud. 2. Select Manage Storage, greater than Backups. 3. Check the date of the last backup and ensure your email is included. 4. Go back to Settings greater than your name, greater than Reset, greater than Erase all content and settings. 5. Follow the prompts to restore from the iCloud backup.
Contacting your email provider.
If the above methods don't work, you might need to contact your email provider. Most providers keep a backup of emails for a certain period. They might be able to restore your lost emails. There you have it, a simple and effective guide to recovering your lost emails on an iPad. Remember, regular backups are crucial to prevent such situations in the future. We hope you found this guide helpful, and thanks for watching.